So folks, the questions come in all the time. All right, Scott, have I missed the boat in self-storage? Did we miss the high valuations? And what about inflation? And what about the oncoming recession? Well, folks, this is our time to shine. This is actually when self-storage does the best. When we have a recession, industry downsizes, businesses downsize, individuals downsize, and they move into self-storage. We still have people that are transitioning in their homes because the pandemic has allowed us to work from anywhere in the country right now. I'm out here in Boise, Idaho right now, and I walk down the street from our Airbnb and I see a brand new facility right across the street from a brand new housing subdivision. So folks, the industry is doing incredibly well. You have not missed the boat. As a matter of fact, now is the time to get in. So if you want to learn from the best of the best, that's my team. We've been doing this for 17 years, teaching people how to get into this incredible business. You need to get to the Self Storage Academy. We have one coming up very, very soon. Click on the link below and we will see you there where, again, the best of the best will show you the reasons why you need to be investing in self-storage right now. Take care. We'll see you soon.